How to draw an isometric kitchen storage cabinet set. First, setting your canvas. You can do by connecting the two previous storage cabinets. Please check out my previous video about how to draw an isometric kitchen storage cabinets. After I connected the two cabinets, I am redrawing them again. I am refilling the blank area so it will look connected together. It's done.